Hello guys, welcome to our channel Survey Gyan by Surveyor. I hope you would have watched our last video and if you have not, then please watch it because it will give you a head start for this video. So as promised in the last video, we have started a new series called Drone Survey and AutoCAD. So today is the first episode of it and the topic is how to import orthomosaic in our famous software called AutoCAD. So in the last video we saw that we downloaded few files related to our project from Surveyan Geo Workspace. The files were the contour files, the digital elevation model file, point cloud file and the orthophotos file. So today we'll be dealing with these two files named as orthophoto.tfw and orthophoto.tif file. So first we should know what is an orthomosaic. So orthomosaic is generally a map or you can say a collection of photos that are stitched together. So when a drone surveys a land, it takes a lot of photos. Then the photogrammetry software stitches all those photos and together makes a single map which is called as orthomosaic. You can see that this map is a orthomosaic of a land. So I have already exported the files and today I'll be importing the orthophoto files and performing few basic calculations. I have opened the AutoCAD software and the version of it is 2016. Before importing orthomosaic file, we need to download a plugin called as GeoRef tool. So go to add-ins, click on Exchange App Manager and click on the launch the Autodesk Exchange App website. Here we can search our tool named as GeoRef IMG. So as stated here, this tool can automatically reposition our raster image which is our orthomosaic file and it uses the world file. So as stated here correctly, world files define the geoposition of the orthomosaic files or any other raster file. So we'll be downloading this tool. Make sure to provide the right credentials. Click on this install now button and the tool has been installed. It automatically fetches the location of the AutoCAD. Now first I'll be importing the orthomosaic file. So simply drag the orthomosaic file into our drawing file. It asks for the insertion point, so I'll click anywhere on the file and then it asks for the scale factor and then the rotation angle. So once you have specified all those things, it will start positioning the image. So I'll click on the top view now. So if I type ID to get the X and Y coordinate, I can see that it gives the position as 70 and 64. So these are not the world coordinates. Now to import the real world coordinates of this map, I'll be using GeoRef IMG tool. So type GeoRef IMG in the command line. It asks to select the object which is a which is the corner of the orthomosaic file, and then click enter. So it has repositioned itself. I'll again click on the top view. Now if I type id command and click anywhere on the orthomosaic, I can see the actual world coordinates. So before moving further, I'll be briefly discussing about the world file. So if I right click on it and see the content of it, it contains 6 parameters. The first and the fourth parameter are the x and y pixels, and the last two parameters are the x and y coordinates. So the last two parameters are the top left corner coordinates, and as we go further, the pixel values get added up. So you can see these are the x and y top left corner coordinates, and as we go further downwards or rightwards, the pixels get added up. Now I'll be performing a basic calculation like to get the area or to get the length of the land. So first I'll be using DAL command. I'll be measuring a part of the pit, and you can see that it says that the dimension text 90.00 something, and if we zoom here we can see the length. This length is in meters. Similarly, if I want to calculate the area of the land, I can simply type AA and click on few points, and to end the drawing I can just type T and it gives me the area, which is 587.3954, and also it gives me the perimeter. So that's it from today. I hope you would have enjoyed this video. Today we have learned things like what is an orthomosaic file, what is a world file, how to use GeoRef IMG tool, then after importing the orthomosaic file and its world file, how to perform basic calculations like how to view the coordinates of the map, get the length of the land, or get the area of the portion of the land. For any queries, questions, or doubts, do let us know in the comment box. Also, don't forget to like and share this video. And if you have not subscribed our channel, do subscribe us and click on the bell icon to get the notifications of the video released. Thank you and have a nice day.